Hello everyone, it's Chef Stas from Ask Chef channel. After holidays, you need to help your body to recover. Okroshka is a great soup that will do the job. I took the recipe from the book Russian Cuisine Best of 500 Years, written by Vlada Piskunova. Let's start cooking. Start with hard boiling eggs. When eggs are ready, keep it in cold water. Mince the white part of the onion. Transfer it into a large bowl, add a spoonful of salt, and using a large wooden spoon or a pestle, grind the onion together with salt. Add the green part of the onion. Chop the dill finely, mix well. Cut the radish into thin slices. Cut off the tips from the cucumbers and remove the skin if it tastes bitter. Cut cucumber into small dice. Peel the eggs, separate the whites from the yolks. Mince egg whites. Add a spoonful of mustard. Add a spoonful of horseradish. Crush the yolks with a fork into paste. Mix well. This dressing can be served separately, but I prefer to mix everything at once. Add cold boiled chicken. Mix all the prepared ingredients. Fill with cold but not ice cold white kvass. Stir. Taste the soup. Add salt, mustard, horseradish if necessary. Soup is ready. Serve it with a spoonful of sour cream. Bon appetit! If you enjoyed the recipe, give video a like and see you next time. Bye bye.